about search engines. So what are people searching for online? Well, yeah, okay. It's time to play Which Cat is Cooler?
Which Cat is Cooler is the game show you've been searching for. Using Semrush, we can see what people look for on search engines.
Cookie.
See if our contestants can guess what's searched for most. Correct answers get you $10. Incorrect answers get you kicked off the show. Oh, and be sure to look out for the Semrush Super Search Question of the day. It all starts with a simple question.
Which cat is cooler?
B.
B? Sorry, it's A. That's it. Which cat is cooler, A or B?
B.
B, I'm sorry, it's A. A or B? Which cat is cooler?
B.
I'm sorry, it's A. Which cat is cooler?
The one A.
That's correct! You're the newest contestant! You're the newest contestant! You're the newest contestant on the show! Which cat is cooler? What easy recipe search is searched more often every month? Is it A, easy cake recipe, or B, easy cookies recipe?
B. Cookie. Easy cookie recipe.
That's correct! 1 for 1 for Mary. That's correct! You just won yourself $10? Cake. I'm sorry, it's easy cookie recipe. Oh, Corey. Moving on to question 2. Which of these classic karaoke songs appears in more searches every month? Is it A, Bohemian Rhapsody, B, Don't Stop Believin', or C, We Didn't Start the Fire?
Oh.
What are we thinking? Talk me through your thought process.
I say A.
Bohemian Rhapsody?
I think Bohemian Rhapsody.
Is that a final answer?
Yeah. I'm going to say Bohemian Rhapsody because that's what I see.
That's correct! 2 for 2, 20 in the bank. That's correct! It is Bohemian Rhapsody. 2 for 2, Mary. Going with that gut instinct. Let me let you in on something.
Okay.
You just got to the third question,
Okay.
and the third question is actually the Semrush Super Search Question of the day!
Does that mean double?
That means double.
Okay.
Which of these smartphone issues appears in more searches every month? Is it A, phone screen replacement, B, phone battery problem, or C, phone out of storage? B.
Oh my gosh.
It's a tough one.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, it's worth $20. It's twice the money.
And I've had trouble with all of that. So. B.
That's incorrect.
I'm
For
going to
$20.
say out of storage.
Out of storage, C? No, it was A! I'm sorry, no!
I'm thinking the screen because people are prone to dropping their phones. So I'm going to go with screen.
That's correct! It is phone screen replacement! You just added another $20 to the bank! Question 4. Which how-to is searched more times every month? Is it A, how to clean a fish tank, B, how to refinance a loan, or C, how to restart a car?
Wow. These do get harder as I go along. I'm going to say refinance a loan.
I'm sorry, Mary. It was how to clean a fish tank. Can you believe that? 11,001? I didn't know there were that many global fish tank owners. 11,000?
Congrats to Mary, this episode's biggest winner.
$80 of winnings on this week's episode. We even had a Semrush Super Search winner of the day. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode of Which Cat is Cooler?